Exfoliate 24–48 hours before. Gently exfoliate the area you plan to wax a day or two beforehand. This removes dead skin cells and helps prevent ingrown hairs, allowing the wax to adhere better to the hair rather than the skin. Trim hair to the right length. For a smoother wax, make sure your hair is about 2 inches long, the length of a grain of rice. Hair that's too short won't be caught by the wax, and hair that's too long can make the process more painful. Clean the area. Wash the area with a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser before waxing. This removes oils, sweat, and bacteria, helping to prevent irritation and infection. After waxing, avoid caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol can make your skin more sensitive, which might increase discomfort during waxing. Instead, drink water or herbal tea to keep calm and hydrated. Apply baby powder or cornstarch. Lightly dusting baby powder or cornstarch on the area absorbs any moisture, allowing the wax to grip hair better. It also creates a slight barrier between the wax and skin, reducing the pain. The right wax type. For sensitive areas like the bikini zone, hard wax is ideal. It adheres to the hair without sticking to the skin, making it less painful and better for coarse hair. Soft wax, which requires strips, can sometimes be harsher on the skin. Check wax temperature. Always test the wax temperature on the inside of your wrist. It should be warm, but comfortable, not hot. Overheating the wax can lead to burns, especially in sensitive areas. Pull skin taut. Hold the skin taut with one hand while you pull the wax strip quickly with the other. This reduces pain, prevents skin damage, and ensures more hair is removed in one go. Remove wax quickly. Don't hesitate. Pull the wax strip off swiftly and parallel to the skin. A slow pull will hurt more and may not remove hair effectively, leaving behind patches. Apply pressure. Right after removing the wax strip, press down on the area with your hand for a few seconds. This trick numbs the nerve endings, significantly reducing pain. Use an after wax oil or gel. Applying a soothing oil or gel like aloe vera or tea tree oil can calm the skin, reduce redness, and help remove any leftover wax residue gently. Avoid tight clothing post-wax for at least 24 hours after waxing. Wear loose, breathable clothing to reduce friction, prevent irritation, and avoid ingrown hairs. Skip workouts and hot baths. Sweating and heat can irritate freshly waxed skin. Stick to cool showers and avoid heavy workouts for a day to keep your skin calm and comfortable. Exfoliate between waxing. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week prevents dead skin buildup, reducing the chance of ingrown hairs and making future waxing sessions less painful. Consistent waxing. Over time, regular waxing causes hair to grow back finer and sparser, making each session less painful. It can also lengthen the time between waxing sessions as the hair weakens. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.